The Flint Hills Resources is a leading refining chemicals and biofuels company.
It markets gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, ethanol, biodiesel, olefins, polymers, intermediate chemicals, and also base oils and asphalt. It has also given jobs to more than 4,000 people. They have refineries in Alaska, Minnesota, and Texas that produce a wide range of fuels that are sold throughout the United States. Though in 2009, 15 miles east of Fairbanks, there was a discovery of sulfolane in the city's drinking water. Sulfolane is a type of liquid chemical solvent that is colorless in a clear liquid that is soluble in water, but is dangerous to humans when ingested at high levels. As of right now, there is little information on the health effects of sulfolane on humans. The levels of sulfolane in the North Pole wells are low and below the levels, which has caused subtle health effects on test animals. There is no certainty to this because there has been no studies that have looked at long-term exposure to low levels in drinking water in animals or humans. The sulfolane has traveled a good distance in groundwater and has affected private drinking water wells. The company started to test some private wells that were around the area and found sulfolane in the drinking water. Flint Hills notified DEC and a plan to immediately supply ultimate water and would begin testing residential wells. The company has spent millions of dollars building new water wells for the city to use. In 2013, additional monitoring wells were installed in the latest installed monitoring wells to improve our understanding of the plume, but there is not enough data and trends cannot be determined yet. Early in 2013, DEC announced a groundwater cleanup level of 14 parts per billion for the sulfolane at the Flint Hills Resources Refinery in North Pole, after 3 years of extensive review by close to 30 toxicologists from health and regulatory agencies. This level will not pose a threat to the health and safety of people in contact with the contamination or to the environment. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency has set a value for sulfolane known as a provisional peer-reviewed toxicity value. Today they are still investigating and cleaning up the sulfolane-contaminated groundwater, while they are also running a parallel testing for other contaminants of potential concern. On-site fuel constituents including benzene, toluene, ethylbenzene, and xylenes are in the groundwater and soils on the refinery property. The company has done rigorous inspections to find all potential sources of leaks and repaired them. They have enhanced the pump and treat system to hopefully minimize migration off-site through greater hydraulic control, and they are evaluating alternatives to clean up the main source areas. Flint Hills prepared a feasible study sometime in the last year to compare potential cleanup options. The final cleanup plan was established from the results of the study. This will get rid of the contaminants and dispose of them properly.